Are you sick and tired of this sound? Can't sleep anymore? Here's the solution for you. The new and interactive anti-snore pillow Goodnite from Nitetronic. Snoring occurs from the vibration of the soft tissues in the upper airways. Goodnite kicks into action as soon as snoring is detected. It inflates a specific air bladder within the pillow, which turns the head quiet and gentle to the side. The new head position widens the upper airways, straightens the soft tissues, and allows free breathing. Connect Goodnite to your smartphone and share your sleep improvements with your friends. The free app monitors your sleep, your snoring duration and intensity. The app shows how effective Goodnite is on your snoring. This gives Goodnite a clear advantage over all other anti-snore products available today. 1 out of 3 pregnant women snore during their 3rd trimester. Several clinical studies reveal that snoring during the pregnancy increases the risk for C-section, delivering smaller babies, or even harm the baby's health. Don't take a chance and give you and your spouse a restful sleep. Buy your Goodnite today.